Chapter 1. Food, our basic need. Nutrients, dietary fiber and water. Balanced diet. Cooking of food. Preservation of food. Dietary habits. Rest, posture and exercise. All living beings need food to stay alive. Food gives us energy for doing various activities. Some of the energy is also used to help us grow. Nutrients. The food we eat helps to maintain a healthy and strong body. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called. Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment to our body. They give us energy to do work. They prevent us from falling sick and guard against a number of diseases. Food contains different nutrients. The main nutrients in the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. These are called energy-giving foods. People who do a lot of physical work such as laborers, farmers and sportspersons need lots of carbohydrates to give them more energy. The foods rich in carbohydrates are cereals, rice, wheat and corn, bread, potato, honey, etc. Bread, honey, rice, chapatis, potatoes, energy-giving foods. Fats. Fats provide more energy than food items rich in carbohydrates. They keep our body warm. Our body needs a little fat. Extra fat is stored in our body for later use. Fats are also called energy-giving foods. Nuts, oil, ghee, butter and cream are rich in fats. Proteins. Proteins are nutrients that are needed for the growth and repair of our body. They also build muscles. They are called bodybuilding foods. Milk, egg, cheese, meat, fish, beans and pulses are rich in proteins. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. Our body needs vitamins and minerals only in small quantities. They are also called protective foods. Some of the vitamins that our body needs are vitamins A, B complex, C, D, E and K, protective foods. Some of the important minerals are calcium, potassium, iron, sodium and iodine. Fruits, green leafy vegetables, dry fruits and legumes are rich in minerals. Dietary fiber and water. Some food items contain fiber that cannot be digested by our body. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber. It is a very important part of our diet. It helps our body to get rid of the waste materials. We get roughage from cereals, corn, leafy vegetables and fruits. Our body needs sufficient amount of water. Water also plays an important part of our diet. It helps us to digest our food and also helps in excretion. It also regulates our body temperature. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Balanced diet. The food that we eat every day is called a diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet is important for proper growth and development. Cooking of food. We eat both cooked and raw food. Some fruits and vegetables, like radish, carrot, and cucumber, are consumed raw. Cooking is useful because it makes the food more soft, tasty and easy to digest. It also kills the germs present in the food. Various ways of cooking are boiling, Pulses and rice are cooked by boiling them in water. Roasting, chicken and meat are roasted. Frying, puris and samosas are fried. Baking, bread, buns, biscuits and cakes are baked. Steaming, idli, dhokla and momos are steamed. We should keep the following in mind when cooking: don't undercook or overcook the food. Use clean utensils when cooking. Before cooking, wash the vegetables, beans, rice, etc. Do not take more water for cooking. Just take enough water. Preservation of food. If the food items are kept for a long period of time and are not stored properly, they get spoiled. Such food items are bad for our health. We should protect the food from getting spoiled. The process of treating food in such a way that it preserves the food value for a long time is called preservation. We can preserve the food in a number of ways. Drying, dehydrating the food. Removing the water content of the food is called dehydration. Some foods can be preserved by removing water from them. This prevents them from getting spoiled. Cauliflowers, milk powder, drying grapes to get raisins, peas and chilies are generally dried for storing. Pickling. Mixing fruits and vegetables with salt, sugar and oil is called pickling. Mango, lime and some other vegetables like radish, carrot and turnip are preserved by making pickles. Salt and sugar act as preservatives. Refrigerating. The food stored at low temperature is not easily spoiled. Keeping food in the refrigerator to preserve it for a short time is called refrigerating. Thus, we can protect our food by placing it in a refrigerator. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the refrigerator. Deep freezing. Keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time is called deep freezing. Keeping fish and meat in the freezer preserves the food. Canning and bottling. Storing the food in cans and bottles is known as canning and bottling. Jams and sauces are canned and bottled to preserve them. Storing food in airtight containers. The moisture in the air can spoil food. The airtight containers keep away moisture and help in preserving food for a longer time. Dietary habits. To be healthy, one must remember or practice the following dietary habits. Eat at regular intervals. Chew your food thoroughly. Avoid laughing or talking while eating. Eat a balanced diet. Drink plenty of water. Eat more of green leafy vegetables. Always wash your hands before and after eating. Rest, posture and exercise. Rest is essential for our body to function properly. We require 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. The organs of the body may not function properly as a result of lack of sleep. It might make us feel unwell. So, it's not a good idea to stay up late. Body position is referred to as posture. We should always maintain a straight back while standing or sitting. Incorrect posture, over a long period of time, can lead to pain in joints and muscles. To maintain good health, we should exercise regularly. We can maintain our fitness by engaging in regular exercise and playing outdoor sports like cricket, football, and hockey. Yoga, a traditional form of exercise, helps in maintaining physical fitness. Synopsis. Food gives us energy for doing various activities. Some of the energy is also used to help us grow. The main nutrients in the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Dietary fiber and water are also a part of a balanced diet. Cooking is useful as it makes the food more soft, tasty and easy to digest. We can preserve food by drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning, bottling and storing food in airtight containers. To be healthy, one must remember or practice dietary habits. Proper rest, correct posture and regular exercise are important for a healthy body.